Hey guys, I am PTC Pet from the Netherlands, and I want to thank you for your time of visiting our Zoom. It's going to be about Abundance DeFi. We're going to be talking about how to work with it and what to expect from it, and why I believe that it is one of the best things that has ever happened to me and many other people. As we all have been working online for many years, we have learned the hard way that there is so much shit online. So many projects that are just running away with our funds, that are just not doing anything as promised, and that we are just continuously in the same repeating cycle, building a project, the project runs away, building a project, the project runs away. And it's not beneficial for your mental health, not for my mental health, and also not for those of the people that follow you. We're going to talk about Abundance DeFi. I have built this project to make sure that it will last a lifetime. There will not be one person that can say that they got scammed or not paid, and all money is coming instantly. So let me start with a small introduction, and then we're gonna be getting you guys motivated to learn about Abundance DeFi. Many of us have been working online for many years. We have learned that there's always issues with projects. It can be that you join a project and you're earning and they change the rules. Nobody's earning anymore. It can be that you have to work a left side, you have to work a right side. There's 5 million here, there's 500,000 here, and nobody's earning anymore. It can also, of course, be that a project is going nicely, but the developers, they just steal the funds and they run away. It can have many reasons, but for me, it was the reason to create Abundance DeFi, to make something lasting that is giving the power back to the people. So no more dashboard millionaires, and all money you're making is coming directly in your own wallet, your own account. So let's talk about what the project offers, what are the strong points, and why I believe that this can change your life, and this will change your life, I have to say. We have an honest and transparent team, and of course, you can see that I am the founder. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm always proud about my project. I even got a well token tattooed here, meaning that it's my baby, guys. I've got to make it grow up. So if you're ready to learn what is setting us apart from the competition, be sure to check it out. Our smart contract can be described as a crowdfunding program executed on the Binance Smart Chain. We are here to ensure that those that wish to take control of their lives have the possibility to do so. Let me 1 second clear my background, okay? And one of the things, our project has several strong points that are not seen in any other projects. And one of them is by getting instant commissions. This means that you will not have to trust me. You will not have to trust Abundance DeFi. You will just have to say, well, I'm making a sign up, I made a sale, and the money will be instantly in your own account. Let's 1 second go here. I believe it's this one. As you can see, let me just show it here. We are growing nicely. If we're gonna go press it here, this is one of the latest transactions. And you can see that the person has joined and the money is directly sent to the people. There is no money in the contract and everybody is paid instantly. This is a great thing because it ensures that it's not just money in the contract. It's not just a nice dashboard that you're seeing, but it's really money directly in your own telephone. So one of the things that is great is that we have instant commissions. One of the other things that I'm very proud of is that leaders help their people to grow. Let me share this, guys. This is also something that is unseen in many projects. So let's take it away. How does it work? Well, let's say that you have 1, 2, 3, your 4th sign up gets placed under your 1st sign up. Your 8th sign up gets placed under your 2nd sign up, and your 12th gets placed under your 3rd sign up. This means that leaders are helping the people to grow. In other projects, the money travels up, the people travel up, and leaders are taking your downline. Let's just call it like that. With Abundance DeFi, we are doing things totally different. The money is traveling down, the people are traveling down, and leaders help their people to grow. In network marketing, you see a lot of greed, you see a lot of selfishness, and we with Abundance are here to fight that. If everybody helping each other to succeed, the world is going to be a much, much better place, guys. So let's continue and let's take it away, as I am sure that I'm going to get you very enthusiastic. We have our own well token. One of the things that's also new, that's never done before, is it cannot be bought. It can be sold, But you can only acquire the well token by joining Abundance DeFi with a package or by making a direct sign up. And of course, or by upgrading. When I already talked about the 20% of all income is buying the well token, which you can also see here. But let's talk about why we have built this. I've been working online for many years and I really love crypto. If you think, does he really love crypto? I can show it here. I got crypto tattooed on me and I am it changed my life. So I have learned to work with many projects. I've worked with hundreds of projects and they have all disappointed me. So I have taken the strong points of many projects that I learned to love. I'm holding them close. And from all those projects that I had my own experience with, I've cut away all the bullshit. Which means that we do not have a left side, we do not have a right side, we do not have momentum bonuses, or 30% of the income is going to the owner. No, we are ensuring that, how is it working? It is working that we are making sure that it is straightforward. If you make a sign up, the moment that person joins, money is in your account. You do not have to work both ways. You do not have to make 4 sign-ups before you get paid. Things like that. This ensures that it is honest, it is fair, and we can pay out a lot higher than other projects because we do not have a developer fee, we do not have an owner fee, no monthly cost, and we are ensuring that everybody can be a winner. Our levels do not close over time, they remain open forever, and we are on a very cheap chain, which means that just to join, you're going to be paying not even $1, and you will have access to your own affiliate system. Let's talk about the packages, guys. The minimum is $2.50. Many that know me know that I come from a poor background. I have fought for everything that I had. I know what it is to be hungry. And I also know what it is to not be able to buy the maximum package. How can you relate to that? Well, let's say that you just have a $2.50. You say, well, let me try it out. You're going to be inviting some friends. They're going to be inviting some friends. You will directly be earning. You can upgrade in your own speed. Let's say that you've earned $20 and you say, well, you know what? I'm on a $2.50 package. Let me go to a $5 package. That means that you just split the difference. That you just pay another $2.50 and you're going to be upgrading. Everybody can go in their own speed. We do not have FOMO. We do not have FOMO. We do not say to people, you have to upgrade now or this or that. We just show you the road. We show you how we do it. And you can decide for yourself what you want to do. Welcome aboard, Victory. So let's talk a little bit about the differences, guys. 10 levels open up directly. That means it doesn't matter if you're going to be coming in with $2.50 or you're going to be coming in with $2,500. But you can earn a commission up to the package that you have unlocked. As an example, let's say that you have a $100 package. You are signing up somebody with a $100 package. This means that you will be getting a commission of 39%. This is instantly in your wallet, which means that it's going to be 39 BUSD in your wallet. But let's say that you have a $100 package. You're signing up somebody with a $250 package. This means that you will be getting a 39% commission up to the package that you have unlocked yourself, which means that you're going to be getting a 39 BUSD commission. If you would have gotten a $250 package, it would have meant that you would have gotten a 97.5 BUSD commission. For those that are interested, the minimum commission you can earn with making a direct sign up is 97.5 cents, and the maximum commission you can earn is 975 BUSD per sign up. So that is per person. As you can see, you're gonna get a well token for every cent you have invested, but the well token is not worth 1 cent in the moment, because we are in the pioneer stages and we are growing together with the company. Which means that I believe that in the future it will be worth definitely more than just a couple cents. Let's continue, guys. The token commission structure. We have carefully thought about that because we are here for many years to come. This is not a project that is going to be lasting a year, 2 years, or 3 years. In 10 years, Abundance DeFi will still be kicking it and giving money to the people. So we have made sure that we do not flood our tokens, as it's going to be a DAO token. It's going to have more utility, and everybody is ensuring that. Okay, sorry, my daughter was playing with the fan. So it's going to be ensuring that there's not going to be massive holders. There are no whales, there are no team tokens, and it cannot be bought, meaning that it can gradually grow as you saw in the chart. So let's talk about the commission structure, guys. I already explained that 20% of all income is buying the well token. This is the only place that can buy the well token. And as I explained, it is 10% stays BUSD, 10% buys well token, it makes LP, and it sends it to the blockchain. 4% of all income is used for marketing. This can be for advertising. This can be for advertising. This can be for an AMA. It can be for, of course, press releases and many other things. This means that 24% we already discussed. If you're going to talk about the commission structure, you can see that the first level is giving you 39%. The second level is giving you 12%, which means that the first two levels is already giving you 50+% in BUSD in your own wallet. Sorry guys, my daughter is very enthusiastic. And of course, as you can see, that this is a total of 10 levels, which means that 76% is going back to the people. If you calculate it with the auto buy of the well token plus the commission structure, 96% is going back to the people. And if you think, well, how is it possible? How is it sustainable? I paid for the project. The project's already paid off. And also we are ensuring that it is no developer fee, no owner fee. So there's nobody that needs to be paid out except the people that are working with the project. As I said, no developer fee, no owner fee, because I am a normal community member just like anybody else. What happens with the commission outside the structure of packages? When the structure is not yet 10 levels deep, or somebody is inviting somebody who has a higher package than that person, it means that it's going to be spread over different wallets. It's going to be used for crypto traders, copy traders. We are looking for a nice yield fund, and also it's going to be used for the network marketing, management, and paying of the moderates and the site. As you guys see that all money is coming back to the people. We have an audit. It is directly paying people out, and there is no limitations on how much you can earn. Other projects say, well, you got to be having, let's say, you can have 20 people on your first line. You can have 50 people on your front line. It means that with us, you decide, all the power is with you. I just created the project. Like I said, the money is going back to the people, not a percentage to me. And everybody has an opportunity to change their life in a positive way without having to fear, will the project pay me out? Will the project last? What will happen? Everybody is directly being rewarded for everything that happens. We are building an ecosystem, as I just showed you in the beginning of the presentation. And we are committed to ensuring the safety of the people and the skill set and development of the people. As there are many people getting hurt online by following the same mistakes. Let's say that you have a hole here. People are walking in. While the one person is climbing out of the hole, the other person is already falling in it. We want to change that. We wish to bring up the skill set of the people, teach them how to recognize a scam, how to stay safe online, and how to move forward. One of the things that we are first going to be implementing is our forum, which is almost finished, where, of course, it's going to be having gamification, karma points, as I showed with help other people, be a nice community member. You're going to be rising in ranks. You're going to be getting financial blessings, as well as you're going to be moving forward and leveling up. The second edition that we're going to be placing is a place where other people can write reviews. They can say what works for them, what doesn't work. And there's also going to be an educational component where people can test their knowledge. You learn about some things to stay safe. You're going to be doing a quiz, and you're going to be getting some funds if you answer everything right. We have many, many ideas, and we have also a skilled developer team to execute them. The third edition that we're going to be implementing is our PTC task site. As you guys know, I am PTC Pet. You can see it now. And one of the things that we're going to be starting with is that it's going to be videos of 60 seconds explaining you, this is a part of the ecosystem, this works like this works like this. You watch it for 60 seconds and you're going to be getting paid 10 cents. One of the other things that we're going to be adding, this is going to be the fourth edition, and that's going to be a social exchange. Let's say that you have an airdrop, you have a YouTube channel, you have a Telegram channel, or you have something else that you want people to join. You can place it online. You can say, I need members here. Other members can join and they get 5 cents per sign up. One of the things that we're also going to be implementing is a place for you to build yourself as a brand. Many projects, they teach you push, 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 push. Promote the project and they just leave you empty-handed. With Abundance, we are teaching you, promote yourself, get your skills up, get your motivation up, and build your base around yourself. One of the things that we're going to be talking about is how to effectively communicate with other people. One of the things that I teach other people is how to register yourself on Google Business on Google Maps as a business, because you're going to get your own free website, you're going to get your own free traffic, you have a place to connect with other people, and it's just one of the things that it is easy to know, and it definitely helps that if you know. We're going to be explaining the options that professionals use, how to do mass marketing, how to use mailing lists, how to connect with freelancers on Fiverr, banner ads, and many more. In simple terms, Abundance is built for this reason, guys. We're going to be creating a community hub. If we all use our collective community knowledge to become better, everybody can be a winner, and not just a couple people on the top. If we all support each other to become victorious, nothing can stop us. And this is how we are going to do it. We are fully transparent about how we are making money, where the money is coming in, how much we give away, and we are also going to be providing a place where people can offer their own jobs. Let's say that you are very good with creating a PDF. You know how to make stickers. You know how to make a Discord or something else. You can offer your service to other people, and other people are going to be hiring you, meaning that you're going to get paid for it. And in time, we're also going to be adding banners and a lot of other advertising to it. This is a little bit the basic of how it works. If there are any questions, feel free to let me know. Type them in the chat or unmute yourself, and I'm definitely going to be answering them. Hey, Motso, welcome aboard. The myth, the legend, Motso, the leader from Swaziland. She's going to be taking over, guys. So if you think this is the moment to recruit, because now Motso has joined, she's going to take all the people from the whole world. Hey, Eka, Chinisa, welcome aboard. Oh, I have not seen you before, so I might have missed it if this is your fifth time. But welcome aboard, guys. If there are any questions, feel free to let me know. We have one thing, of course, that we have, of course, we're giving away 2 prizes every Zoom meeting, but we have a rule for getting that prize. One of them is to join the Wealth token page, as we're going to be needing 2,500 members there to get listed fully on CoinGecko. So let me just put that also. And also, one of them is to join the Abundance DeFi Telegram group, as we're going to be needing some more members there also. I can see that you guys are doing a great job. If there are no more questions, I am going to be stopping with the recording, and then we're going to be selecting prize winners, and then we're going to be continuing. I'm going to be uploading the video because I think this was a nice one.